Hello everyone, I am Naoki Yusuke. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I do some restoration on this old notebook. So this is actually my first notebook, and yeah, you can see it's pretty old. This is IBM ThinkPad, and as you can see, the paint has becoming, kind of bubbly here, so it's kind of rough. So what I'm gonna do here is I actually will try to remove the paint on this part. This is actually an aluminum body. You can see here the aluminum shine here. So I will use a paint remover. Okay, this is the paint remover. You can use any type of paint remover at home. Okay, the seller is kind enough to give me these two tools here, the brush and a plastic scraper. So we will use that, and after removing the paint, okay, I will use this anodized spray paint. Okay, you can see here anodized red. So I'm going to spray this red, and make sure to buy a paint that is specialized for metal. So this paint can be painted over metal. So I'm going to use this paint to paint my notebook. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove the housing first, this part and also the bottom part. Okay, then I'm going to use a paint remover to remove all of the black paint here, and once it's done, I will start painting it. So without further ado, let's go and see the results. Okay, for the operating system, I already flashed Linux Mint. So since this laptop is pretty old, and if you try to run Windows 10 inside this notebook, it is going to be laggy. So I tried installing the Linux Mint. Here you can see the bootloader there, for 32-bit, because this laptop is 32-bit. So pretty much it runs really smooth, but I didn't upgrade yet the HDD to SSD. So this laptop is still using HDD, so if I upgraded that to SSD, it would be little bit faster. Okay, so you can see the boot loading is taking quite a lot of time. So let's log into Ubuntu Linux Mint. So I set up the theme of this Linux Mint to make it look like Mac OS. Here you can see it looks pretty much like Mac OS, just like that. Let's open up the terminal, and you can use the terminal just like you use in Linux. So this is the application. You can also browse everything just like you normally do with Windows. So you can see it is taking time to load the browser. So if I upgraded this HDD to SSD, it would take a shorter time to load that. There you go. Let's open up YouTube. Okay. looks like that. You can browse YouTube just like you normally do with Windows. It's not that good since this CPU is running on 1.6 gigahertz processor, so yeah, it's pretty laggy on HD video, but still it can play video, so you can see it doesn't lag at all. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and you can see this red color is really beautiful. And so that's it for my video. So if you enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to give a like, leave a comment if you have any question related to this project, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.